A code editor lets us write HTML and CSS code. And you can also use any code editor you like, but the most popular one for web development is called Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is free and easy to use. So let's go ahead and install Visual Studio Code. To download Visual Studio Code, just head over to codevisualstudio.com, and I will leave you the link in the video description down below, and you can just click on the link and it should take you to this official page right here. You can click on this download button right here and then choose your operating system. Since I'm on Windows, I'm going to choose Windows. I'm going to choose the Windows version right here. I'm going to click on it. Then I'm going to double click on the file. Then I accept the agreement. Next, next, next. And I'm going to create a desktop icon. Click on next and then install, and it should start the installation. Alright, so now we only have to wait for a couple of seconds and then Visual Studio Code will be installed. Alright, so now you can just click on the finish button right here. Now that we have installed our code editor, let's start by learning what HTML is.